Hi everyone, welcome back to Introduction to Computer Concepts at Springfield College. I am disappointed that we will not be together again for the finish out the semester, but with everything that's going on, it's in everyone's best interest to stay away from crowds. So what I'd like to share with you for the rest of the semester, we will do one module per week, which will do the assignments and then the training in SAM and the practice project, and then at the end you will test on the SAM task test and the SAM project. So we'll be working with Word for 3 modules and then PowerPoint with 2 modules. For all the exercises that you'll be uploading, I have videos of instructions that you can watch and then submit as you complete them. Just keep up to date so that you don't fall behind, and we'll complete everything that we're expected to do, even the project, for the entire Introduction to Computer Concepts. I wish everyone to be healthy and safe and take care. I'll probably send another video towards the end of the semester to see how you're doing. It was great to meet and work with all of you. Continue to work hard, and I'll be sending comments on your assignments. Thank you. Take care.